Be ready. Start. Sri Ravikant, learned senior counsel, submitted that the notice under section 13 within bracket 2 of the act was with regard to the two properties located at Agra and Noida, and that possession under section 13 within bracket 4 of the act was only confined to one property located at Agra, and the procedure adopted by the respondent bank was patently illegal. Stop. The learned counsel submitted that since the notice had been issued under section 13 within bracket 2 of the act for two properties, the respondent bank were legally bound to take the possession of both the properties and could not take possession of one property only, and therefore the entire exercise made under section 13 within bracket 4 of the act was patently illegal. The learned counsel submitted that assuming without admitting that the respondent bank could proceed against one property under section 13 within bracket 4 of the act, the procedure prescribed under rule 8 within bracket 2 of the rule was not followed, inasmuch as there was only one publication in the Hindi newspaper Dainik Jagran, whereas the rule contemplates mandatory publication in two newspapers. In the end, the learned counsel for the petitioners submitted that one-time settlement had been offered by the bank, which the petitioners had accepted in part and were still willing to adhere to it, provided the onerous condition imposed by the bank for the withdrawal of the suit and the complaint filed before the MRTP were withdrawn. Stop. The learned counsel also submitted that in view of the fact that certain recoveries were made against the petitioners and the matter was pending consideration, the present proceedings ought to have been stayed and the debts recovery tribunal should not have proceeded with till the disposal of the suit. Stop para. The learned counsel for the respondent bank submitted that new grounds are being raised before this court, which were neither urged nor argued before the debts recovery tribunal, and that this court should refrain itself from going into these questions since the entire matter is still pending consideration in the application of the petitioners filed under section 17 of the act before the debts recovery tribunal. Stop para. Sri Shashi Nandan, learned counsel for the auction purchaser, submitted that pursuant to the sale notice, the auction was held in which respondent number 5 was found to be the highest bidder and his bid has been accepted and a sale deed has been executed and the possession has been delivered. Stop. The learned counsel submitted that the process of auction has not been challenged in this writ petition and that against an interlocutory order, the present writ petition has been filed. Stop para. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties, this court finds that there is no error in the issuance of notice under section 13 within bracket 2 of the act. Stop. It is open to secured creditor to move against any secured assets, and it is not essential that all the secured properties should be put to sale simultaneously. Stop.